Hello, my name is V and you're watching V's BCBMB. You clicked on this to get engaged with a silent lecture. Now, for some of you, silent lecture may not be a format that you're too familiar with. This is why I wanted to break format and put a brief introduction to it so you can properly calibrate your expectation of what is to come. You all know what a lecture is, of course, because you probably go attend them every day. Now, some of you may really enjoy that format, some of you may not. One of the things with all lectures, though, is that they very rarely try to get you truly engaged. In many cases, it's more like you going to a movie theater, sitting down, kicking up your legs and watching the show. The only thing missing for perfection would be a bag of popcorn. Now, that is the thing that is really fundamentally different in a silent lecture, because there is no sound. There is nobody that talks to you or at you, be that a person or your friendly AI. You are the star of that show. And you are the star of that show because in a silent lecture, you cover topics by being actively engaged with the material, by answering short questions that I will be posing, compiling your thoughts or writing down or saying out aloud things that you already do know about that particular question. It may sometimes just ask you to do a quick assignment. These are never very long, and I always will give you a piece of providing the answers to questions, of course, and some quick solution to how I would have approached the assignment. Or it may ask you to go out and watch a short video clip. Now for that, if you're interested in doing that particular active element, I would ask you to please go to my website, bcbmbstudy.com, following the QR code that you will see at the beginning of the lecture, and download the corresponding PDF file. That's the exact same thing that is posted here on YouTube. It will have better resolution, and it has fully clickable links to original sources and the video clips that every now and then I put in to make it more fun, actually, to go along with it. Now, with silent lectures, one of the things is that you can work at them at your own speed. Unlike a real lecture that is timed and the time slot is fixed, here you can take breaks. You can work as long or as little as the different components that are put in front of you, and you can turn it into a fully immersive experience, vastly increasing your retention and the way how you will remember things and put them all together by simply playing some of your favorite music tracks at a low volume in the background while working through these files. You also could do something else. You could light the aromatherapy candle, or if you want to make it a group exercise, you can invite some of your friends over or your study group members over and work through the material together, interactively working on the questions and assignments and discussing. All of these elements will really help you with understanding and retaining the material that is covered in these lectures. Now, this is quite enough of me talking. You're already fed up with me, I can guess. So I will let you get to it, and I do hope that you enjoy this particular silent lectures. If you do, reach out to me and let me know. If not, let me also know so that I know what, if anything, I can change to make this more useful for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for engaging. Thank you for being really different.